What's up, everybody? Over here, just another sunny day around the block. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take my car to a wash because I have these power lines in front of my house where these birds just poop relentlessly. And let's just take a quick look. See, I just cleaned it, and now it is riddled with bird stuff. So luckily I do have unlimited car washes at Express Car Wash in San Mateo, but they also have other places like in Redwood City, Foster City, and even in I think those are all the places I know for now. I can only go look later. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive over there and get a nice wash, and then let's go see. Alright, I just got my car washed at Foster City. Looking pretty good. I do got some stuff in the back for the office. So the car's looking good. So let's go ahead and take a look to see the car. Please forgive the paint. It's an old car. I just wash it to keep it clean and wash it to keep the poop off. Okay, so this is the car. Super clean, super shiny. Always a good job at Express Car Wash in Foster City. He has other locations. I'm gonna go ahead and put his website down below, just to see if anybody's in the local area that want to get a good car wash. All right, see y'all later. Bye.